That's mine.
This is a dinosaur. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris Gillen, and this is Chris Gillen. Yeah, it's been a long time, and I know we're really far away, but at the same time, we're really close. We're really just, you know, we have that moment. We have that moment. I got Connor over here somewhere. Sit up. He's playing with his feet. This is my boy Connor. This is Jenna. And Emma's over here hiding. Alright, so I got this box like 3 months ago. I opened it up so I was sure that there were no expirations, expired things that could go gross. So now we have to open this, and I'm going to tag who sent me the box in the description because it's Adventure and Adventure. She's a good person. She sent us this box, and now we're gonna open this box. You guys ready to open the box?
Yeah.
Who goes first?
Me.
Oh, she said first. Ladies first, so go ahead.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Close your eyes. You too. Don't know no peekers. Okay, the first toy I'm gonna give you. Whoa! What is that? Hold on.
It's a emoji.
It's an emoji. It is actually, ready? Meh. 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 Wet. I don't think you guys can see Emma in the picture. You can't. Emma, come up here. Boom. Alright, Emma. Hold on, Emma. Hold on. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close them tight. Close them. Look. Close them. Move your hand. Close them. Close them. There you go. Alright, here you go. We got poop emoji. Poop. It's the poop emoji. Here. Eat. Smell like poop. Smell like poop. Smell like poop. Ugh. Here. Ugh. All right. Connor.
What?
In this box. Do you want something slimy or not slimy?
Slimy.
Slimy it is. This is rude. Uh-oh. All right. This is an egg.
It's a
And
slimy.
inside the egg, look disgusting.
Does it have something in it?
It's the slime egg.
Does it have something
However,
in it?
wet. Watch, ready? Hatchie. Oh no!
Prize.
Oh. Don't drop it. Oh. So here's the egg yolk. It's just a little hard thing.
Ooh.
Emma, feel.
Slimy.
Feel.
That is my turn.
Ew.
No, Emma, don't take
Hang on,
it.
don't take it. Here.
Yeah.
Alright, I want you guys to see the dexterity. Or dexterity.
Dad, can I get another
Dexterity. Look. This is straight up
It's stretching to daddy.
like real, legitimate water slime. Like, I don't know how they make this. Look at that. Hang on, I'm gonna turn the light off so you guys can see. Look at that. It's legitimate, like it feels like an egg yolk. This is gross, but it's amazing. Put this thing back where it came from.
Daddy, is it goodbye time me? Aren't you telling me first?
Another toy?
Yucky.
How can you get this thing back in here if it's the same size?
A few moments later.
And then...
It's mine. Get the poop out of here. Alright, hang on. This one involves some opening. So, let's see what this is. It's a Value Pack Hello Kitty Monsters Collection. Hello.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
It's a blind bag.
It's a what?
A blind bag.
What's a blind bag?
Because I saw it on my tablet.
What's a blind bag?
It's a prize.
It's a surprise. This girl watches a lot of YouTube.
Let's see what is in there. There's a map about it.
Hello Kitty.
Hey, what about me?
Hang on.
Do I have one?
No, there's only one in this one.
Wait.
This is a Hello Kitty monster collection, and I don't know, I'm not very familiar with Hello Kitties. Hang on. Oh, wait, hang on.
What?
It says Hello Kitty, and it has a ghost on it. Here, let's see. Got my hand here now so you can see the, there it is. Hello Kitty Monster Edition with a little keychain, and it also has a little tag that says Hello Kitty, and it's got a ghost on it. Pretty cool.
Put it on the backpack. That's mine.
This is a dinosaur. Okay, so this is the dinosaur, and we're gonna take these tags off.
Oh.
Make them, they're safe. They're safe. Lots of tags, lots of tags. Emma! Emma, wait. Emma, what sound does the dinosaur make?
Do I have it now?
Okay, we have one more left, I think.
Oh, okay.
This one's for everybody,
Okay.
mostly for Daddy.
Oh.
Okay, ready?
Yeah!
Here it is. We got the Pizza Party Modeling Dough Crayola. Alright, like I said, this is the Modeling Dough Pizza Party from Crayola. And it has everything you see here. It comes with dough. Comes with a little shape thing. You can get your toppings. Pizza. Dinosaur, open mouth. Hello. How are you? Alright guys, that is this week's video. Hopefully I can get back on track with videos. Drop the pizza. Pizza fetcher. Oh. Yeah. Alright guys, like I said, that is this week's video. Hang on. That is this week's video. We got all kinds of toys. I'm going to tag Anna Adventures down below. Please go to her Twitter, give her a like, go to her YouTube channel. Please subscribe to her channel, and most of all, subscribe to our channel. This is Chris Gillen Vlogs. That's for my bud. And thank you again for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.